Okay, so y'all know that the microwaves at work be extra dirty. People be acting like they don't know how to clean up after themselves. So let me show you something that you can buy so that you don't have to worry about that anymore. This is a electrical heated lunchbox. Plug it in with your food in there. Wait about 5 minutes, baby, and your food is going to be scorching hot. Look at this. Straight from the refrigerator into the lunchbox, boiling already in 5 minutes. Click the link and get yours. Don't be using them corporate microwaves no more.